In this video, I am going to provide you with some of my opinions about whether or not you should use single or double stringers right here. Don't forget, you can always use 3x, 4x, or 6x material also. For example, a 4x14 or a 6x14 to cut your stringer out of if you need something stronger than a double stringer. And you're not going to need a double stringer if you have a wall or other structural supports you can use to support the stair stringer or reduce the span of the stair stringer. Or if you're going to have any type of support under the stair stringers. And if you're not going to have support in the center, then you might consider using double stringers on anything that doesn't have support. And I don't have a general formula for this one. Something like, hey, if it's over 10 foot, it's going to need a double stringer. Or if it's only 4 foot, you're not going to need a double stringer. However, I can tell you that I would have definitely doubled up the stringers here because you're not going to be able to attach it to the wall on the one side, and you're going to have the additional weight from the handrail on the other side. And if you're looking for a little more support, don't use notched stringers. Use solid stringers like we're looking at right here. And thanks for watching. To learn more about home building and repairs, visit us at our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.